Hey guys, welcome to 8.1 day 3. Today we're going to learn one additional rule. Okay, so today we're going to simplify when you have more than one base and a power. And well, let's try it first. Okay, so we have a squared b cubed. So I'm just going to write it like this. A squared b cubed. Okay, let's just write it like that. And we have to do it 3 times. So we have another a squared b cubed, and we have another a squared b cubed. Okay, now using your rules from before, how many total a's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a to the 6th. And how many total b's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's your answer for the first one. All right, now let's do the second one. So this one we have 3k4m2, and then it says squared. So we just have to multiply it by itself once. 3k4m2. Okay, squared means twice. All right, let's see. Let's put a little 1 here since there isn't anything there. Okay, so how many 3's do we have? We have 2 of them, so it's going to be 3 squared. How many k's? 4 plus 4 is 8 k's. And how many m's? 1, 2, 3, 4 m's. Okay, so the rule today is very simple. If you have more than one base, just distribute to both. Okay, so you just got to distribute to every single base. So to find a power of a product, you distribute the power to each constant or variable. Now, here's the one thing that you guys need to do. If there's any number base, I want you to actually calculate it. So like, what is 3 squared? I want you to actually do that and write 9. So final answer is 9k8m4. All right, let's try one. Let's try a couple. Okay, so if there's more than one base, you would distribute it to every single piece. So the A gets the 8 and the B gets the 8. And remember, there's secret 1's here. All right, so this is going to be A to the 8, B to the 8. All right, so that was a pretty easy one. All right, number 2, same thing. The A gets the 2 and the B gets the 2. And the rule is power to a power you multiply, right? So it's A to the 6, B to the 8. Because power to a power you multiply. All right, let's do 3. First of all, the Q doesn't have a power, so we need to put a secret 1. And now we're ready to go. Distribute to the Q and the S and the Z. All right, power to a power you multiply. Q to the 5, S to the 15, Z to the 20th. Power to a power you multiply. All right, now let's throw in some numbers. Okay, so number 4, the 9 doesn't have a power, so put a 1. The Y doesn't have a power, so put a 1 also. All right, let's do it. The 9 gets it, the X gets it, the Y gets it. Okay, so the 9 is now 1 times 2 is 2. The X, 7 times 2 is 14. And the Y, 1 times 2 is 2. But any numbers, I want you to actually calculate. What is 9 to the 2nd power? And that ends up being 81. So 81, X to the 14th, Y 2. Okay, so any numbers I want you to actually solve. Okay, number 5, let's get a 4 to the 1 and let's distribute. All right, so distribute, distribute. Okay, so 4, 1 times 2 is 2, and z, 6 times 2 is 12. And then since 4 is actually a number, what is 4 squared? I want you to do that. That's 16. So 16z to the 12th. All right, and last one, number 6. I would try this one on your own. So pause it, try it, and then check it. Let's give the 2 an exponent of 1, and then let's distribute, distribute, distribute. All right, so let's do the 2 first. It's going to be 2 to the 4th power, a to the 24, and b to the 12. And then any numbers I want you to do, what is 2 to the 4th power? That's going to be, I think, 16. So final answer is 16, A24, B12. All right, so that is the distributing rule. All right, that's it for today. Nice job.